Ka Jilla Meghalaya kadai ke bajur bha ki bapang Bampong bat kawan baar ha kari kat ba ka East Khasi Hills District kadai ke Baningkong ki bapang Bampong. Ya kani laong da menteri rang ba ka Jilla ukonat ki sangma habakran menta ka lai phawai tarik jamang arhaja ar phaulai ha ka Jingpang ya ka Meghalaya Cancer Care or Megkan Care Project ha usoso tham auditorium Shillong. Kat kum ka jingong menteri rang ba ka Jingpang kami kadai na karukom jong ki breu Bat day na kani kada badan kam ban sumar nadu shwa ban kha ka kami. Ya kani ka program lapanlong da ka Sorkar Meghalaya bat ka Apollo Telemedicine Foundation and World Economic Forum.
Absolutely necessary that this screening must take place. Why also this program is important is that we realize that the more we talk about this, it may be an uncomfortable subject. But the more we talk about it, the more awareness comes in. The more awareness that comes in, then people start realizing, I better stop doing this, I better stop eating this, I better not do this anymore, I better exercise. So a kind of a psychological impact is there on the society to start becoming aware of the different things that you should do or you should not do. And that's also one of the objectives of this program, that ultimately there must be awareness, there must be acceptability, and there must be a program that we should take forward to ensure that we are able to save lives. And the kind of technology that is being used in this entire program, I must thank Apollo, I must thank all the other technology partners. I'm told that there are some technology partners from abroad also, like some Israeli technology is also involved in this, where we are using the early detection programs. So these are very high-end programs. I'm told that different kind of artificial intelligence programs are being used, and this may be one of the first in the country where this kind of program is being done. So hence, it's not just a simple screening, it's technically very, very advanced. And again, is a great initiative by the department and with Apollo to be able to really make a difference. Friends, we have to realize that a large part of health comes from lifestyle, ensuring that we're able to detect early. It's not just cancer, but all other forms of diseases that you have. A lot of it is related to lifestyle diseases. And hence, our approach also is changing in that line. We're trying to ensure that we're able to implement and improve the overall lifestyle of individuals so that we're able to make a change in the overall health scenario. And this particular program, coming to this program, why this is so important, I've already told you, but I must take this opportunity to urge our citizens, especially from East Khasi Hills, this is where the pilot project starts, that we need to take this seriously. And as is mentioned by Mr. Sampath Kumar, 80% probability is there that if cancer is detected early, it is curable. 80% of the cases are curable. And hence, it is absolutely necessary that this screening must take place. Why also this program is important is that we realize that the more we talk about this, the willpower to be able to fight whatever comes in front of us. We need to accept things that yes, there is a problem. And when we accept the problem, we start working towards finding a solution to it. We have the will to move forward, the determination to move forward, and bring the change that we need to bring. And what I've told you, like as I said, in the last 5 years, we have seen systematically, it's not just about, as I said, a plan. It is also followed up with action. Doubling a budget of a department in 5 years is not a joke. You can ask any state government. One of the highest spenders, in fact, when it comes to the states. That means if I minus the union territories, because union territories, it's not that we're just talking and we just have it on paper. I'm happy to inform you that in the last 5 years, the budget of health for Meghalaya has doubled. So we were at 800 crores, spending roughly about 800 plus minus, about 5 years back. Today we are spending close to 1600 crores for health. So it's not that we're just creating policies and giving, speech and all. Things are happening on the ground. We are today one of the fourth highest in terms of percentage spent on health. Almost 8% of our budget goes to health. It's a huge commitment from our government.